Imagine a kitchen where one appliance tackles blending, food processing, and dough mixing with ease, saving you time, space, and effort. Enter this Ninja Foodi SS201 power blender and processor, a 3-in-1 powerhouse that's redefining culinary versatility. Whether you're whipping up creamy smoothies, chopping veggies for a quick salsa, or kneading dough for fresh pizza, this blender delivers unmatched performance. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why the Ninja Foodi SS201 is a must-have for every home chef, diving into its features, benefits, and real-world performance to help you decide if it's the right fit for your kitchen. Why the Ninja Foodi SS201 stands out. The Ninja Foodi SS201 isn't just another blender. It's a multifunctional kitchen beast. With a 1,400 peak watt motor and smartTORQUE technology, it powers through tough ingredients like frozen fruit, dense dough, and fibrous vegetables without stalling. Its 3-in-1 functionality, blending, food processing, and dough mixing, eliminates the need for multiple appliances, saving counter space and simplifying your cooking routine. Whether you're a busy parent, a meal prep enthusiast, or a baking aficionado, this appliance is designed to make your life easier and your recipes better. But what makes it truly special? Let's break it down. Solving common kitchen pain points. Stalling blenders. The smartTORQUE system ensures consistent power, even with thick mixtures, so you don't have to stop and stir. Limited versatility. Unlike traditional blenders, this 3-in-1 system handles everything from smoothies to cookie dough, reducing the need for extra appliances. Cleanup hassles. Dishwasher-safe parts and an included cleaning brush make post-cooking cleanup a breeze. Inconsistent results. 6 auto IQ presets deliver perfect blends, chops, and mixes with one-touch convenience. Key features of the Ninja Foodi SS201 power blender and processor. Let's dive into the standout features that make the Ninja Foodi SS201 a top contender in kitchen appliance market. 1,400 peak watt motor. This power-dense motor crushes ice, blends frozen fruits, and kneads dough with ease, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks. smartTORQUE technology prevents stalling, even with dense ingredients, ensuring smooth operation without constant intervention. Variable speed control. With 10 speed settings, you can fine-tune the texture for everything from chunky salsas to silky purees. 3-in-1 versatility. Functions as a blender, food processor, and dough mixer, streamlining your kitchen prep. 72 ounces power pitcher, large capacity, 64 ounces max liquid, is perfect for family-sized batches of smoothies, soups, or dough. 6 auto IQ presets. One-touch programs for smoothies, frozen drinks, bowls, spreads, chopping, and dough take the guesswork out of prep. Easy cleaning. Dishwasher-safe components and a cleaning brush simplify maintenance. Recipe inspiration guide. Included guide sparks creativity with ideas for smoothies, dips, and baked goods. Real-world performance. How it shines. To test the Ninja Foodi SS201, I put it through a variety of tasks to see how it handles real-world cooking challenges. Here's what I found. Smoothie test. Using the Smoothie Auto IQ preset, I blended frozen berries, spinach, and yogurt. In under a minute, I had a perfectly smooth, lump-free drink with no visible spinach flecks. A win for picky eaters. Chopping test. The chop preset tackled onions and peppers for a fresh pico de gallo. After 2 cycles, the veggies were uniformly diced, saving me knife work. Dough mixing. I used the dough preset to make pizza dough. The machine mixed the ingredients into a cohesive ball in just 40 seconds, though a quick knead by hand was needed for perfect elasticity. Ice crushing. The frozen drink preset obliterated ice cubes in seconds, creating a slushy base for margaritas that impressed my guests. Cleanup. After each task, I tossed the pitcher and blades in the dishwasher. For quick cleanups, blending warm water with a drop of dish soap worked like a charm. The Ninja Foodi SS201 consistently delivered professional-grade results, making it a reliable partner for both novice and experienced cooks. Benefits that make a difference. Here's why the Ninja Foodi SS201 is worth the investment. Time-saving efficiency. Auto IQ presets and powerful performance cut prep time, letting you focus on enjoying your meals. Space-saving design. One appliance replaces three, decluttering your kitchen and freeing up valuable counter space. Versatile cooking. From smoothies to dough, this blender handles diverse recipes, making it perfect for experimenting with new dishes. Why choose the Ninja Foodi SS201? In a crowded market of blenders and food processors, the Ninja Foodi SS201 stands out for its power, versatility, and ease of use. Its ability to seamlessly switch between blending, chopping, and dough mixing makes it a true all-in-one solution. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen or starting fresh, this appliance delivers professional results without the professional price tag. Plus, its sleek cloud silver design adds a modern touch to any countertop. Ready to transform your kitchen? The Ninja Foodi SS201 power blender and processor is more than an appliance. It's a gateway to effortless, creative cooking. From silky smoothies to homemade pizza dough, it empowers you to tackle any recipe with confidence. Don't settle for single-use gadgets that clutter your kitchen. Upgrade to the Ninja Foodi SS201 and experience the joy of versatile, high-performance cooking. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make it yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.